Hello, and welcome to the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. I'm Marva. Today, I'm inviting you to the kitchen to watch as I make a one of a kind smoothie with two exotic fruits. Come, join me in the kitchen. Here are the ingredients for this one of a kind smoothie. The exotic fruits are soursop and jackfruit. Then we have milk, cinnamon powder, vanilla extract, and nutmeg. So in this bowl, I have the jackfruit and the soursop. They were both frozen, but now they're thawed out. And I'm just going to put it in the blender. Now I haven't yet thought of a name for it, but I just guess I'll just have to combine both fruits to get a name. Now I'm going to add some cinnamon, just a little bit, and some vanilla. That's what I would normally put in my soursop juice. These two spices. I'm going to put just a little bit. Go. And I also like nutmeg. So let me grate a little bit of nutmeg here and put it in my smoothie. That's enough. Now, I like to use almond milk. You can choose whatever milk you like, but almond milk is what I like to use in my smoothies. I think that may be enough. If it's too thick, then I'll add some more when I'm finished. The smell is so good. The smell is very aromatic. It is. And the taste, I can tell you, this is what it looks like. If it's too thick for you, then just add some more milk. This is so delicious. Yeah. I don't know if you'll ever be able to try this drink, but if you can, make your soursop and jackfruit together, spice it up the way you like, and you'll have a very delicious drink. So let me taste it again. Mm, delicious. Yes. So this is my jackfruit soursop smoothie.